other metal products before to remove iron from my pools, and it seems like I had to do a lot of things such as lower the pH, lower the chlorine level, not allow swimming. How soon after using the fairy tabs can we swim, and do I have to take all of those other steps before I add them to the pool?
So there's a bunch of different metal up products on the market. Some of them require you bypass the heater so you don't run through the heater. Some of them recommend you drop the pH for certain. Some of them would say don't swim in the pool for quite an extensive period of time. Here's the rule of thumb when you're using fairy tabs is it's a really safe product. I'm going to recommend when you dose any pool with a chemical that you give it at least a couple hours, no matter what it is. But there's no long extended, no swim periods with fairy tabs. I would, like anything else, say add the chemicals and give it a few hours before people are swimming. Because even if it's a chlorine product and you add it, you might have high dosages before the water really mixes up really well, and that could irritate people. And these fairy tabs themselves aren't going to burn your skin. They're not going to cause any problems. It's not like anything's going to happen, but a good rule of thumb is to give it a few hours before you swim. But there's no required special attention needed to be made or accommodations need to be made when using them. The dosage is what it is. For every X amount of gallons of water you're going to add to the pool, add a fairy tab. Or if you already have iron in the water and you have X number of gallons of water, based on the number of gallons of water as to how many fairy tabs you put in the water. But just to be safe, give it an hour or two, but certainly no long extended staying. Don't swim in the pool, or certainly don't drop the pH to make them work. Use them right where everything is in your pool, and just make sure that you got to be ready to backwash because it's going to take that iron out.